Hello guys, it's Bartosz Warwas from Bonsai Discovery and you're watching BonsaiKunst Hamburg demo. As you may see, hairdresser in Poland is still not open, but we have to start anyway. So let's start with the intro. First of all, big thanks to BonsaiKunst Hamburg crew for making the whole event, and even after a big change when everything's gonna be in internet, they didn't give up, and here we are during the event. Okay, I think it's a good moment to stop talking and start working, so let's see the tree. This Kyushu juniper was brought to Poland from Asia around 3 to 4 years ago. It's well acclimatized and ready for solid styling. Unfortunately, it's been several years since the last cut and pruning took place, and a significant part of the tree is too long and too thick. From the beginning, I decided I would not change the front of the tree. The trunk, now covered with the green, has the most beautiful movement in this position. I like this trunk with deadwood. Spiral curve of the trunk in the shape of pigtail, which you may like or hate, really drew attention. I start with working on deadwood. First, with a brush, I clean the trunk from old gin liquid, alk and other dust. Then, with a knife and other tools, I add depth and some cracking. To have more space for further work, I cut unnecessary or too thick twigs from the first branch. I also create small gin. To make my work easier and reduce the consumption of brushes, I cover the surface with water. I run the brush according to the wood fibers to deepen some lines and add some shade. With a brush, it's also easier to clean those parts of the plant that are difficult to clean by hand. The next step is to add a few more scratches and depression gently using an umbrella cutter. Then I smooth with a brush again. After some work on the deadwood, after cleaning some branches, I will start wiring the first branch. And now it's time for wiring. It's a conifer in advanced state of development, so I use copper wire. To help you see the next stages of the work, I will show you three after each part of the work. Styling the first branch is an important moment. A well-started job is always positive, and seeing the first ready path motivates you to continue working. For this reason, good wiring is particularly important. Remember that aesthetic work will not only facilitate styling, but it's also a big part of final effect. Due to the fact that the branch was too long and too thick, it was removed. And now I'm gonna wire the rest of the tree. Why don't we have some music? Now, time for the most important thing, the apex. Proper wiring of the apex is particularly important for safety styling. It reduces the risk of branch breaks and also looks aesthetic. Okay, that's it. That's the tree. Thank you for your attention. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you like the tree. Big thanks to BonsaiKunst Hamburg crew for making the whole event. Guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you soon at normal exhibition.